I know I've been way over skinny jeans. Straight leg jeans are way more comfortable overall, and here's how you can make them on your own. It's really simple. The first thing you're gonna do is seam rip up the side of your pants. I seam ripped up to my knees to get the full straight leg effect. After dancing around in this funky version of jeans for a bit, find a pair of jeans with similar tautness and blend. The color doesn't have to be the same. I know mine look like one limb has been brutally cut off, and that's because this pair of oversized jeans is a pair that I bought specifically for repairing old denim. You can find something like this at your local thrift store. Using my good old geometry skills, I calculated the dimension of the triangle that would work well with my jeans. Then I did a combination of seam ripping and cutting the old jeans into the ideal isosceles triangle insert. I pinned the insert into my jeans to make sure that I liked it before sealing the deal by hand sewing them into place. The important part is to make sure that the hems on the bottom meet properly. Then I zigzag stitched the inside on the sewing machine to make sure the ends wouldn't fray. The outside doesn't show any seams because I hand sewed the insert into place on the wrong side of the fabric. And here's how the fabric looks.
Fill my brain with some ecstasy.
To do this with shorts, it's a pretty similar process, but I decided to spice things up by adding patches for design this time. I cut open the sides of the shorts and cut out a rectangle of the denim insert, the length of the shorts. This time I had to hand sew the rectangle to the shorts to make the waist larger. Here's a little try-on clip of me when I first put them together. I still have some pins in to make sure that it fits right before I sew the denim inserts into place. I decided to sew on some more patches to make it look less utility and more like an intentional choice. And after all that, here's what it looks like.
Have you in my bed?
Thanks so much for watching. That's all for now.
I know you're tired of waiting, but